Breaking news, and a court in Korea has dismissed the legal case against a male or K-pop idol referred to as A, so they haven't released his name, but he belonged to a male K-pop group. He was part of a 4-member male group, and this was because of a kind of like a personal encounter, private encounter he had on the 8th of January 2023. And a week later, the agency forced him to sign a legal agreement they thought would cover all the costs of financial damages of making the albums, as well as penalties exclusive to the contract and other unspecified penalties as well. And this also extended the liability to his family, who, if he couldn't pay, then the family would be forced to pay. So 2 days later, after signing that, the agency announced his departure from the group, terminated his contract, and wanted to file a $145,000 damages lawsuit against him, citing the agreement that he was forced to sign. The Seoul District Court has dismissed that, saying that this wasn't legal and private relationships was not a legal issue, and because it wasn't publicized as well, it did not violate any kind of terms of the exclusive contract or harm any of the professional duties as well. So what they called this was a debt memorandum, and the judge ruled it null and void with unfair legal acts. So this is quite significant because, in the industry itself, there is claims there is these slave contracts that and slave practices that these agencies may or may not force their clients to sign. But, obviously this will probably dictate any kind of decisions in the future as well, whether they are punishing their artists for kind of damages, which are, all in says private, but they claim it's going to be public damage. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments below.